Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Facebook page permanently. So for this, you have to open the Facebook app and there tap on the three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen, and then you guys have to tap on pages. You guys can go there like this, or you guys can tap here and then scroll like this and tap on more, and right there scroll down and here tap on settings and then tap on general, and right there scroll down and try to find remove page, and here you guys can see remove page, and in that way you guys can permanently delete your page. So I'll show you how to delete it. And right now tap right here, and for your confirmation they will ask you if you're sure that you want to remove your page. Now I will delete this page. As you guys can see, I have deleted my page, and if this video helped you, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and to leave a like. Thanks for watching our video. See you with another video. Till then, stay well and stay safe. Bye bye.